What's up guys, this is Harvey from Tech Wrap, and today we're going to show you how to do front door wrapping. So first step is preparing for the environment, making sure your environment is 16 to 23 degrees Celsius. Also grabbing a broom, sweeping away any dust or debris. A clean environment is a must if you want a better wrap result. Sweet, so now it's time to measure the front door. Grab a measure tape. All right, measure slightly a bit bigger than the actual size of the door itself, allowing for extra space later. And also if you want to remove the handle, that'll help with the wrapping process. All right, now it's time to clean the surface. So grab a car cleaning solution and a microfiber towel. To ensure a smooth foundation, apply a clay bar to the surface and then thoroughly dry it with a microfiber towel. To make sure there's optimal adhesion, degrease the entire surface to remove any oils or residues. Then, to facilitate the application process, apply a layer of slip solution to the surface. Now finally, mask the top molding with tape. Okay, now it's time to actually start installing the vinyl. We have to position the vinyl on the front door, carefully release a small portion of the backing paper, and anchor the vinyl at the top corner. Once positioned, completely remove the backing paper. Apply a light mist of slip solution to the squeegee buffer to prevent scratches and aid in the smoothing process. Using overlapping strokes, apply the vinyl to the surface with a squeegee from top to bottom. Make sure to use our free hand to hold the vinyl clear until it's fully adhered. Alright, so before we trim the vinyl, it's time to actually heat it up. So grab a heat gun, heat up the edges. This will help the vinyl conform better. Carefully trim away excess vinyl. Now for the front and back sides, align the cuts with the fender and the back door to get enough extra material for wrapping around both edges. To manage the top edge near the molding, use a tucking tool to securely position the vinyl beneath the molding before cutting it, and remove the masking tape after the cut. So we're almost there. For the finishing touches, we are going to apply heat. So grab a heat gun for the edges to ensure it all conforms, and then we are going to give a final inspection of the surface, addressing any bubbles and whatnot. Lastly, if your door handle was removed, just make sure you put it back on. That's it, guys.